morning. Good morning. We are True Lions. Thank you, Prospero's Books, for having us. We're so excited to be here playing tunes. I'm Alison Hawkins. This is Fritz Hutchinson and Carly Atwood. And we're going to start with a tune called Seneca Square Dance. Like we were from the country when we were in the city. Here we go. This tune is called Walking in the Parlor. Okay. This next tune is called Carrot Cake. It's an original
song. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Stuck inside for 10 days, can't stop thinking about carrot cake. Plant a garden in my backyard, hope it grows for goodness sake. Stuck inside for 3 weeks, on my mind is carrot cake. Rows of seeds, sprouts, and leaves waiting on that ground to quake. Stuck inside for 4 months, 125 days straight. Rip the roots up from the dirt. Now's the time for carrot cake. Carrot cake, carrot cake. All I want is carrot cake. Carrot cake. All I want is carrot cake. Carrot cake. All I want is carrot cake. Carrot cake. All I want is. Waiting around for 2 years, all I ate was carrot cake. Open wide and stuff my tongue. How much longer will it take? Carrot cake, carrot cake. All I want is carrot cake. 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 All right.
Screaming up the charts as we speak.
Okay, here we go. This tune is called Old Gray Eagle.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Nice job. Oh no.
Oh, bad job.
Yeah, True Lions is essentially myself and who's playing with me. And lately it's been Fritz and Carly. And we had a buddy, Eli, play drums with us, and we were actually more of a rock band. And we released a split tape earlier in 2023 with Fritz. So it's half True Lions, half Fritz. And we had electric guitars and drums. But our drummer moved to Albuquerque, and we miss them. And it forced us to do this. So I don't know what I'm saying.
We have folk band against our will.
Yeah, we became a folk band because it was the right thing to do. I don't know. But it is the right thing to do. Also, I started playing fiddle because I watched a 12-hour Ken Burns country music documentary that made me feel obsessed with fiddle. And Betsy Ellis taught me a lot of these tunes, like Old Gray Eagle. Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty much what happened.
So I think we should play That's My Rabbit because Betsy taught us that one too.
Yes, we should.
Woo! Yes.
For you, Ken.